Hello everyone, I'm Chuong back for another review. As promised, bird's nest drink. It says white fungus, what the? Okay, I'm not sure why it says that. Oh, that's what this is on here as well. So this is, in Vietnamese, bird's nest drink. But it says white fungus here though, in Vietnamese. This is just English here. And we are also going over Saxi, Chuong, Duong drink. One is a soft drink. That's what this is. Now, I have never had these before, new to me, since I got them from South International Market. So, bear with me in my review. Not sure if they have caffeine, however, but we're going to be trying these now because I can't read in Vietnamese. One, but in English, though, one is carbonated soft drink. I'm basically not a typical Vietnamese person. You gotta be fluent in Vietnamese to know Vietnamese. Yep, it's a soft drink, alright. Looking like a Coke. Or Pepsi or whatever. That's what the color looks like there. Must be an 8-ounce can instead. Oh well. We are gonna pour the second one as well. See what color that is. Huh? That's what color we're getting? Well, let's see how the bird's nest drink is first. Before the other one. And match with this. Tastes like it's an aloe drink. But it's good so far. Too bad they only had a can of it. Hmm. Hmm, I think I should have refrigerated that one though. It seems like they put. Weird. They did put white fungus in this. There's no caffeine in these at all. In this one, but it's plain old water as well, in a mixture. It's also refined sugar. There's 20 grams of sugars in this one though. You get your calcium, but 30 milligrams. Vietnam can be weird then, sometime. 14 milligrams is potassium. Hmm. Well, not a bad drink, but I'm giving that one a 7 out of 10 there. No, wait, not a 7 out of 10. A 6 out of 10. On the bird's nest drink, white fungus. Ugh. I didn't think Vietnam would actually like that stuff. You don't get flavor out of it. But let's go over now the soft drink, which is Saxi Chuong Duong. Here's a color to refresh your memory. Okay, okay. I think Vietnam did a good job on this drink. Better than the bird's nest white fungus. Hmm. Okay. Vietnam, shout out to you guys on the soft drink. No shout out to you guys on the nest. However, but Saxi, Chuong, Duong. Not sure what says that though. As I said, I'm not fluent in Vietnamese, by the way. I give this one a 10 out of 10. I do like soft drinks, but this is actually a good soft drink. If you guys have an international market, look for this. I don't think FYE would have it though, but would recommend this drink to try. Just saying. But until my next review, since I screwed it up though, however, the last time, I'm gonna go over 2 milk drinks. Well, 2 tea milk drinks. Basically, though, you gotta refrigerate these two: Thai tea and strawberry milk tea. Yes, I said strawberry milk tea. Who doesn't love strawberry milk anyway? And I'm hoping these are good. So, until tomorrow's review, Jake Lines out. Peace out. Later, everyone.